This one's it's pretty short and sweet. It's another Blob the Builder demo, giving Blobby now the ability to delete. So if I just got this dashboard, just whipped this up, and I wanted to delete something specific, uh, I said delete the core metrics text item, so targeting something that could even be nested within a specific amount of containers. We'll see if Blobby can locate it. And nice, not there anymore. Cool. It's also like spatially aware too. So if you were to be like, if you had multiple of the same chart, you could be like delete the one, delete the department products chart on the right side of the page, or like below this other one. It should be able to find that too.
James, just a half thought here. Might be interesting to like circle the things that you are doing in the UI and offer confirms. Don't like this is still great, but it'd be interesting if you could like put it into a selected state and be like, should I delete these things? How does that look? Um,
Yeah,
Very much a
yeah,
half thought though.
yeah. It's a fair call out. We're also thinking about like how much prompting do we want the user to have, like between while we like operate in the background, because we don't maybe want yeah, I don't know if he left or if that was just me, but I think like there's a healthy balance between prompting the user to get input but not over prompting it and being able to handle stuff on the side. So that might be something we iron out as we go along, but um definitely something I work with Jared on. And then beyond that, say it doesn't delete the right thing. I kind of teased it in Cabo, but keyboard support is in main. So if you wanted to move stuff around or just delete it with your keyboard, you can do that too.
James, quick question. There's no Command Z on that, is there?
No, not
Okay.
yet.
All right. Thank you.
We're still kind of working through that, and that comes with its own nuances too of like how does Blobby interact with if we're command Zing and Blobby's also contributing to the dashboard, how can we make sure that the user is command Zing what they want to undo?
Yep.
So,
Got it. Makes
but
sense.
that'll come.
Thank you.
Yeah, we will have that within months, if not far less.